Hello Walmart sellers, my name is Uzair and I am the owner and co-founder of CaptenAMZ. Today I have brought a very exciting topic for you guys, and that is how to create a proper Walmart shipment plan. Okay, so don't miss out this video and see it completely to understand the topic. Coming back to the topic, I have used the word proper. So by the word proper, I mean a shipping plan that is without having any issues, any mistakes. So what happens when seller does mistakes in creating a Walmart shipment plan? Their inventory gets stuck to Walmart fulfillment centers. It gets delayed. They go out of stock. And in some cases, their inventory is lost by Walmart fulfillment centers. And the reason Walmart tells is that they have created a wrong shipping plan. Okay, so what are the common mistakes that sellers do in creating a shipping plan? The common mistakes are they put wrong shipping labels on the cartons, they give wrong shipping labels to their suppliers, and they enter wrong carton dimensions, they enter wrong product dimensions, weight, and many other things. So in this video, I will cover each and everything in detail, in minute details for you. So don't miss this and see this video completely. And also subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce related videos. Okay, so let's jump into the seller dashboard. And before going to there, I will tell you that if you don't understand anything, you can ask me in the comment section below this video. And also I will be giving my social media links. You can ask me questions over there and I will be there for you, for your help and any other query if you have. And also you can give me other video related suggestions in the comment sections you want me to create the videos. Okay guys, this is your Walmart seller center dashboard looks like. We have home over here, then this is ad center, then this is inbox, and over ad center you can see your ad, then this shows your total orders, unshipped orders. Okay, so as we know, we want to create a shipping plan, so we will go into this, not in product catalog, order management, analytics. We will go to WFS. Okay, so one thing I will say before you go to this into creating shipping plan is that your inventory should be WFS converted. Otherwise you won't be able to create a shipping plan. So make sure your listing is converted to WFS. Okay, so after coming to WFS, I will select inventory tab. After clicking inventory tab, a new window will appear. So this is the inventory window, shows my available inventory to sell, and then daily sales, then the lost sales, at risk sale to potential sales. So in stock sales rate, different metrics. So I will go to this top right corner. This is to this manage inventory tab, select it, and then two options. One is to send the inventory to Walmart fulfillment centers, and other is to remove the inventory from Walmart fulfillment centers. So I will select send inventory because I need to send inventory to Walmart. Let's click this option. After clicking this option, a new window will appear, and it is page will look like this is create inbound order. So over here, this is inbound order ID. Then over here, we have to select the expected delivery date, the delivery date when you are expecting your inventory to be arrived at the Walmart fulfillment centers. Okay, so this date can be 2 days from when you are making the shipping plan. The minimum date can be 2 days from shipping plan, and can be any other date in the month, next month, or the next month. Okay, so this date is I think you can enter any date when you are like expecting. So it doesn't matter if your date is out past, it can Walmart can still accept your inventory. Okay, so I have selected as this is a dubbing shipping plan, I have selected 29. And over here you have to select ship from address. Okay, so for Walmart, I will want to tell the Walmart sellers is that they cannot add address from China or any other country. Only option available is for the US. Okay, so you can add the address from for US from where your inventory will be picked, shipped to Walmart fulfillment centers. Okay, so in this dialog, I'm gonna send inventory and I have to select the item name from where I have to okay, so here are multiple options. You can select and SKU by, you can select your items by SKU, by UPC, by GTIN, by EN, and then by item ID. But I'm as I think it's the most convenient, I can search my and select my items. Okay, so I will enter the keyword of my items, and then they will show up here. It is showing the GTIN, the SKU you want to ship, and the item name. Okay, so where I have to select add to order. I can select multiple items at a time, but right now as I'm sending only this item, so I'm selecting this. Over here you will see your item that is selected, and you can see the inventory available is 0, and if you have some inventory, then it can also show you the days of supply. Then over here you have to enter the total number of units you are sending to Walmart fulfillment centers, and that in my case are 100 units I'm sending. And then there is this master case setup, And in this master case setup, we have two options. One is case packed and other is individual, sending just individual units. So I am sending cartons, so I will select case packed. So after this, it will ask how many cartons, how many units per carton. So I have 25 units per carton, so it means we have 4 master cases. And this is how things are done. Then pack and label, select options. Over here you will say if you want packaging for your items, then definitely WFS gives you these services. For poly bag, it will charge 0.60 per unit, and for standard label, that shipping label, if you have missed or your supplier have missed, you can also avail WFS services, but it is costly. I will say it will decrease your margin, so it's better that you will pay to WFS. Okay, so as my inventory has all the labels and it is in poly bag, so I don't have to select this option. Okay, so just I have to create this inbound order. So it will take us to the window, and our inbound order ID will be created. So it is saying that your inbound order is created, and this is showing the address. Okay, so after that I will click on I can see its summary also, but as I have set up, then I can click on setup, show you the shipping details. So these are the 4 steps we have to cross after creating the shipping plan. Over here it's asking confirmation that the SKU is selected correct, the item name is correct, total number of units I can edit over here, as you can see, but I can't edit number of units per master case. Pack and label is none selected, so there are no other actions I can take. If you want to delete this over here. Okay, so let me create to go to the next step. Here you have carrier options. The Walmart is asking the carrier you have selected to ship your send your inventory to Walmart fulfillment centers. So if your inventory is US, I will say you should select WFS, that is the preferred carrier. Walmart fulfillment center carrier will pick your inventory from your doorstep. But if you are sending your inventory from any other place, any other country like China or any other country, you will select I will find a carrier or use my vehicles. So as my inventory is from China, I will select this option. And after that, we have to select this freight type. Walmart is asking if we have if small parcel or LTL. So LTL is less than truckload. It's basically pallets. So we are not sending into pallets. So I am just sending in my inventory into a small parcel. So I will select small parcel. Okay. After that, I will go to the next step after clicking next. So over here, Walmart is asking master case details. So what Walmart is asking over here is the number of single SKU master cases we have and the number of mixed SKU master cases we have. So number of single SKU master cases, we have 4 master cases. For the single SKU we have 4 master cases, and there are no mixed SKU master cases in my inventory, so I will select 0. If you have mixed SKU master cases, like you have 2, 3, 4 SKUs in a single master case, then you will select number of those type of master cases over here. So right now I don't have any master case, mixed SKU master case, so I will select just 0. Okay, after that I will click on next to go to the next step, and that is to confirm your inventory details. Over here is this item details. I have 1 item and I have 100 units of that item, and these are the shipping details. This is the address, shipping address. Confirm your shipping address, and after that it's showing carrier. Freight type is my small parcel because my inventory is just in 4 cartons, not on pallets. And carrier is I will find a carrier or use my own vehicles. So if my inventory have been in the US, I will have selected WFS carrier. Okay, over here in the packaging details, number of single SKU master cases, we have 4 SKU master cases, and mixed SKU, you don't have any mixed SKU. Okay, so over here you can also edit your details. Like if you click edit, you will go to the first step. Okay, so this is how things work. Then I will you can come back to this confirm option, a confirm tab page. Okay, so if all details are correct and I have like double checked it, after that, so this is very important, double check your details always. This is how to create a proper shipment plan. People do make shipment plan in haste, and they find trouble afterwards. Okay, so I have double checked my shipping details, so I can confirm it, and after that my shipment plan will be created. Because so right now I have like created shipping plan already, so I don't have to create this. I will just close it, but you have to confirm your shipment, and your shipment plan will be created, and you can then after that download your shipping master content labels. Okay, this is it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below, and also you can ask me onto my social media sites. I will definitely answer you. So thank you guys for seeing my video, and subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce related videos. Thank you.